Alright, quiet on set, we'll go for a take. Roll sound.
Rolling.
Roll camera.
Camera rolling.
Mark it. Action. So the inspiration for Codec, it really came about from a desire to work with Alana, to explore telling a story with an ensemble cast and centering it around young people and the anxieties we face in becoming adults. And for me, I knew I wanted to experiment with the style found in Mikhail Haneke's films. Codec has been a challenge in many ways, really. There's just so many new things we've been doing. It's the longest film we've made. It's the most wide-spanning film we've made.
Will, I think you should leave.
Yeah, I think it's pretty clear no one wants you
I
here.
can't. Are you serious, Emma?
You can still have a nice dinner, all of us.
It's a dinner.
Ren.
Look, come on.
I'll hand it to Wary.
Welcome to the set of Wary.
Wary is based on a true story, so I've written it to kind of shine a light on the challenges people of the LGBTQ plus community are still facing today. Because while we've come a long way, like don't get me wrong, I understand that this generation is quite privileged in terms of acceptance and tolerance. So I just wrote this film based on my own experiences.
No, so you come all the front line.
Start with the closest, right? Pardon? We start with the closest. Open bar.
Alex of this.
Hey. Just the two.
This is like my monkey's paw.
Just There Too Much Life is a sport documentary which is focused about the idea of running. Then it kinda has changed a bit. I think now I'm kinda curious more about the gossip in a way. Of how it turned out of the story. A romance in a way. And now the documentary has evolved of the story of us during that period. So I guess I'm doing a documentary more about sport, about life in general, and how that life can take you in different directions, even if you have one main focus. Cambridge Half was the main goal, and to be honest, it was kind of a breakdown for me, having to say no to running that event. But now that everything is done, I'm happy, and it was worth it.
Welcome to the set of Mum, What Box Do I Check? Mum, What Box Do I Check is a short documentary that looks into different people's lives. It gives them an opportunity to share a little bit about their story and their experiences that they've had, revolving around the topics of race, racism and microaggressions.
Entendiendo que esto era un problema más allá de simplemente tener un carácter fuerte.
They will find any reason and anyone to pin the blame on for why things aren't working.
I think the biggest challenge just generally when it comes to documentaries is you don't really know what is actually going to be said, because there's not necessarily a script that you follow. Like, we have prompt questions that we give our interviewees, but we don't really know what their answers are going to be until the day of. Take one, take one.
Situation where blah 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 up there.
Just move it in.
Hello. It's a wrap on day 2. Thank you.
Could you not?
It's fine.
He said it.
Behind, please. Someone take down this film.
Hey! It's not a nice film. Lying.
Welcome to Music Factory. The music part might be because wanting to work on TV, and we never did anything in the studio until now. Only in September we had 3 lectures, and I think both me and Charlie were like, I want to do this.
Yeah.
This is awesome, and no one uses this place somehow.
What wasn't the challenge?
Yeah, I think the question is what wasn't the challenge. I'm gonna say getting people involved in this project was the main challenge, because I think being the last one to be shot, everyone else was focused on the other projects first.
Yeah, I mean, it's also just trying to get everyone in. I mean, it's 20 plus crew, and such a short time to do it in terms of rehearsals. In it. Sorry.
I guess like any artist, particularly songwriters, what you're really looking to do is to connect with people, communicate a feeling that they experience as well, and if you are lucky enough to get that in someone else, then you've done your job.
And welcome to Eternity's Grave. The film follows the main protagonist, Adam, who boards a train called the Eternity. In a world that is riddled with sandstorms and pure dread, he finds a single passenger on the train. That's Grace.
That's me.
You will live beside me, but you shall exist elsewhere. I have so much to ask of you. This film goes into themes of life, death, and what it means to be alive. It focuses on the very little things.
It's not easy to create environments from zero.
Yeah, we've got a bunch of challenges in using AI and backgrounds. The motion capture is going to be a combination of the suits, which has a bunch of little balls.
Creating 3D environments with the VFX artist, sand hands falling down, full bodies being struck down by swords.
I'm the director, but I'm also acting in it. Teresa here.
I've never acted before.
They're all just exploring uncharted territory on all fronts, not just on camera, not just visual effects, sound, but acting as well and directing. But with the hard work and passionate attitude from everyone here on the crew, it seems to be pretty fun right now.
Yeah.